create processes has several times the efficiency. In the box opening link, it turns out that manual operation takes 3 hours. Now we use digital digging design. Export the data to the crate machining center. And it takes about half an hour to do it. The efficiency has been improved by a factor of 6, whether it's through holes, threaded holes, square holes, round holes can be processed, and the openings are horizontal and vertical. Standard harmonization, feeding process, listed cabinets generated from digital design, stick the equipment label in advance, prepare for the assembly process, at the same time, make an anticipation of material quality. If any problems are found, deal with them in time. Use links. It used to be done by hand. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute. This doesn't include the time of a unique picture. Instead of using an automatic online machine, it can automatically complete 0.5 to 6 square harness, and each bundle takes only 6 to 10 seconds. 6 times the effect. And because it is the exact length, the wear and tear of the wire room can be reduced by 10% to 20%. Line guide cutting link. We use a self-developed wire room guide rail cutting table. Highly ergonomic. Reduce labor intensity. The cutter can be slim. Save half the layout space with cutting length. Is by the ruler. Can accurately cut length. The cutter is designed with a buffer mechanism. Even if I let go, the knife does not automatically fall onto the user. No iron filings and dust. High safety factor. The incision is flat and beautiful. 0 burrs without secondary trimming. In the equipment part, we use material trolleys to classify. Place the material according to the label of the material. Easy to find and get. Also avoid material damage caused by material stacking. In the wiring process, the finished product line has been classified. Place it on the hanger trolley. It is convenient to take the wiring process one by one. Don't look at the schematic diagram for wiring. Reduce labor requirements. No need to look up, no need to bend over, saving time and effort. The same training can be started in a few days. The installation board that connects the wire in the whole assembly process. All door panels and side panels with open holes are equipped. Then make an equal positioning connection. Run with an electric cabinet. The trolley mobile cabinet is smooth, safe and flexible. Save time and effort. In small workshops, more practical than ground cattle and cranes. Finally, the door panel is carried out according to the data. Wiring and side panels, etc. In the quality inspection process, the quality inspection data is already included above. Wiring angle information. There are also device identifiers. No need to read schematics or